Hello people, out on another camp, this time a bit of a stealthy one in a new location. You've got a housing estate up there, a cemetery just passed through. I think there's a house, some sort of factory thing up there, and some more factories there, but there's this small bit of woodland. Let's see if I could get away with doing a camp in it. Now that's the bit I saw before. It's on a slant. This is like the beginning of the year, winter time. I found this bit. I was hoping it would be a bit more growing than that. Still a lot of dead ferns. There's loads of ferns up there. I think when that grows, this will be a nice hidey hole. But we'll see what happens. Now here's an okay spot. It's on a slant, it's bumpy. It ain't gonna be a great night's sleep, but it's only for one night for a stealth camp, and I'm happy with that. But what's that? Big bone there. There's a cemetery nearby. Looks a bit nice up here, but you've got all that open up. So when that grows up, the ferns and the brambles, I think this bit alright. Bit bumpy, but it's wild camping, isn't it? It's a bit exposed. I don't know if I could have a fire tonight. A bit of a track there. Might be an animal track, hopefully. Not human. Having a look around, I think it's got to be in there. Now to be a bit more stealthy, I've come literally just an hour before sunset. I've got to set up quick. There's more houses there than I thought. There's basically this woodland. You've got a field up there, and it goes down to some houses, and this is like corner patch here. I've also had dinner, and I've just had a coffee, so I'm coffee out and don't need to cook anything. Saves cooking, carrying extra stuff, and you know, like giving your position away. It's literally set up and snuggle down. Bit slopey, but looking around, it's the best place. So that's where the track is. Could be a deer track, I don't know. But I've got an animal camera, night camera thing. I might set that up here somewhere. See if I could capture what goes through there. Right, there you go, there's the tent set up. It's a French Army F1 canvas tent. I put a vote up to what shout shall I use, the French Army tent or the Dutch Army bivvy, and thank you for everyone who voted. And the French Army one is one, so I've taken this one out. I ain't got my sleep system in yet, but I could do that in the dark. And to be honest, in there, day or night, it's always dark in there, so it doesn't make much difference. Yeah, I sort of squeezed it in there. I don't think it's going to be a great night's sleep. It's on a slant. I twisted it a bit so it's a little bit more, you know, horizontal sort of into the slope. And I could, the size of it, I could put my mat at angle, but it's good enough. And it does get flatter up here, which is annoying. Just up here amongst these trees, which is alright, but I want to be stealthy. And as I walk out here, I'm exposing myself. You can't see it on the camera, but just through them tree lines, there's buildings and things. And the property up there. Have that underneath. Protective mat. good thing with this tent is got doors on both sides. So what I'm going to do is put my bag in at this corner to stop my sleep mat from sliding down. That's the plan. Got a little firebox here. I thought I'd set it up while it's still light. See over there, they've got their like night light thing on. That's a factory over there. I'm going to be in there. I was going to have a little fire tonight in that stove. I've got one of them magic fire things you throw it in, it does all different colours. I might see if I could get out on the go without being seen. There's a bit of a trail through there. It goes down there. Just go set this animal camera thing up. Hopefully we see something tonight. I think I'll just go put it down here, pointing that way. See if I can get anything. See in there, they've got their spotlights on, pretty bright. Really, stealth camping, you shouldn't have a fire. But like I say, if I could just burn a few twigs, get one of these things on the go. Do it a lot later though. In there, got mystical fire. You can't really see me, hello. But here I've got a can of San Miguel. I think it's beer o'clock. It's about 8:15. I'll just go wait here. Probably another hour or so, then go to bed. Well, it had to be done. The camera isn't picking up too well. There's blues, greens in there. But when it dies down, I'll let it go out and go to bed. So, unless anything happens, I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, campers. It's about 6:30. I've been up since 4:30. Just woke up and fully awake. Just heard a woodpecker. Hear that? Yep. That's cool. There's a woodpecker just up in the trees there. If I was doing a proper stealth camp, I probably would have been long gone by now. but I wanted to wait a bit so there's a bit of light for filming. It's not like in Scotland where you're allowed to camp, and you can camp at a bit more ease, you know. This, technically, I'm not allowed to, so there's trouble being in England. We're not allowed to wall camp, but as you see, there's no mess.